this is what you get. Okay, and it's time for her to be washed because she's dirty. I mean, routine. I'm just gonna show you guys. Come on, Light, why don't you just let me be great? I look a hot mess. How I'm gonna do this? I don't even know. This is my hair. Been like this for the past week. I've had it in wash and go. And it's time for her to be washed because she's dirty. I mean, she's dirty. And we're gonna wash her and we're gonna moisturize and seal. So I'm not gonna show me washing my hair. I will put my rice water shampoo routine here somewhere in the video. I don't know if it's on this side. I don't know if it's on this side. You guys can go and check that out if you guys wanna see my rice water shampoo routine. I'm just gonna show you guys. Come on, Light, why don't you just let me be great? Come on. Technical difficulties, but you know, she's lasted for a few years. So I just need to replace my bulb. I probably need to replace my ring light because I've had her more longer than a few years. Like, she has a little shortage in her, but we're gonna work through that, okay? So, like I said, I'm just gonna show you guys how I moisturize and seal, and I'm gonna voice over that part because why not? But yeah, this is me on any given day. So, you know, this is what we do. This is my hair, okay? So, still trying to figure out what to do with all of this. Back here, I got one in my desk up here, some distraction, you know, that's what I call distraction, fake foliage or whatever for aesthetic purposes. I don't know, I don't know what aesthetics I want. I want to do browns, neutrals, I don't know what I want to do. Gray, maybe, I don't know. We'll figure that out, but you are here to see a moisturize and seal video, and I just thought I would show you my hair before I get started because this is my hair. Let me take this hat off because y'all really need to see how bad it is. Like this, this is really my hair, okay? Like low key, like this is me. No makeup, no glam. This is my hair. I went to the salon. This is how I went to the salon today. Had my hat on, sweatshirt, joggers, no makeup. Got my nails done today, you know, and that's me. She's itching. She's itching right now. That's how dirty she is. She's itching. All right, so let's begin. I already washed and deep conditioned my hair. So now I like to go in with my aloe vera juice mixture, and you guys already know this, which is 1 part aloe vera juice, 1 part water, and this serves as a conditioner, and it also creates a lot of shine for my hair, and it closes the cuticle, which leaves my hair shaft feeling smooth, soft, and all that goodness. So I like to just make sure that it is thoroughly covered on my hair before I go on to the next step. So what I like to do typically is part my hair into sections, especially because my hair is so long and thick. I like to part it in workable sections. This makes my job a lot easier and more efficient. So now what you see me doing is I like to like pull on it a little bit like that, like gently to kind of like detangle it a little bit, or you know, stretch it out a little bit. And so when I come to like single strand knots, I like to take my time and use a rat tail comb or my fingers to gently pull it apart. And usually, you know, they'll just melt apart. So after I do that, I'm going in with my S.O.S Shae Butter cream, and you guys absolutely love this. I love this stuff too. I found the cutest little container, little pump to put it in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and section off a small section from that back section, and I'm going to now, you know, give each smaller section a little bit more TLC by thoroughly detangling it, starting from the tips to the root. Okay, so after I detangle my hair, this is when I like to go in with my S.O.S Shae Butter cream. It's super creamy, guys, because I doubled the S-Curl ingredient in it. So it's super creamy and it doesn't separate. Like so creamy and so moisturizing. Oh my goodness, you guys have to try this stuff. I'm gonna link the DIY video in the description box below and also in this video. So go ahead and just saturate that section with the S.O.S Shea Butter cream, or whatever cream, lotion, oil, butter you like to use will be fine. We're just moisturizing and sealing the hair, so whatever products works for your hair type, go ahead and use that. And then I commence to twist up my hair. So we're just going to keep repeating these steps, because I mean, that's what we're doing. We're just going to repeat these steps by moisturizing, using the aloe vera juice water to moisturize the section. Go ahead and detangle it from the tip to the root with a wide tooth comb, guys. And take your time with this. You don't want to rip through your hair. Just take your time. Show her a little bit of TLC. Go in with your shea butter cream or what have you. Go ahead and work her through that section. And I like to smooth as I go. And I use a lot because I use a lot until I see my curls popping. Okay. And then I like to go in with my paddle brush. You guys know how I feel about my paddle brush. And it's just soothing to me to use that paddle brush. But anyways, yeah, just go ahead and twist her up. And I am just so impressed with myself, guys, that my hair has come such a long way. It is super long now. Like, you guys are going to want to stay tuned, because I'm getting ready to go back to the salon before the end of the month for my 3rd salon trim. Did I reach my hair goal finally at my waist? That is the question. Because see, when you 5'9" and kissing 5'10", it takes longer for you to reach your hair goals. You know what I'm saying? If I was like 5'2", 5'3", or shorter, my hair will be draping behind my knees by now. You know what I'm saying? But your girl is tall, and it takes me a little bit longer, but it's okay. So stay tuned, because I'm going back to the salon, and we're gonna see that, gonna have like a big reveal and see if I met my goal yet. And yeah, so go ahead, guys, and just continue repeating these steps until your whole head is done. And I'll see you guys when I'm done. All right, so here, guys, I just wanted to show you how curl defining this stuff leaves my hair. Like, even though, ignore the fact that my camera kept going in and out of focus, look at the curl definition. Like, this S.O.S Shae Butter is the business. I've been using it for years. You guys absolutely love it. I love it. And I just want to show you how springy and just healthy and beautiful and juicy my curls are. So you guys will absolutely love it. I guarantee if you guys try this recipe, again, I'm gonna link it in my description box, You guys will not be disappointed. My hair loves this stuff, and it totally keeps my hair moisturized, seriously, for 5 days. 5 days before I have to moisturize my hair again. And it may depend on the porosity of your hair, but for the most part, I don't think you guys will be disappointed with this shea butter cream. So, yeah. All right, guys, so we're all done. We are freshly moisturized and sealed. Super juicy twist. I absolutely love it. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys a quick hairstyle before I put these under my wig. So what I like to do, if I don't want to like wear a wig, and what you can do is I take this half of my, hair, and I go ahead and twist it like I'm making a ponytail, and I drape it across the top of my head, and then I bobby pin it in place. And I do the same on the other side. Now, the difference when I'm getting ready to wear a wig is instead of draping it across the top of my head, I wrap it around the back of my head. So that section will be going around the back, the other section will be going around the back, so that my wig can lay down flat on top of my head. But because I'm showing you a quick style for those who are not about that wig life, or you want to take a break from your wigs, just put it on top of your head like that. Get a nice, scarf, and you're good to go. So there you have it, guys. This is what will be going on up under my wigs. So if you guys are here for it, thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video.